my channel. This is Li Ming. Happy National Coffee Day! As a coffee lover, today is one of my favorite food holidays. And each year I make a special coffee to celebrate it. Now it's fall and that's the sweater season. I like to have some hot drinks in this chilly weather. So today I'm gonna be making a peanut butter hot latte. Let's start it! The ingredients are super simple that you can find in your house. You will need some instant coffee and some sugar. I use the cane sugar. You can use the sweetener instead. And also you will need some water. I already added 2 teaspoons of water in this cup. That because I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. So if you want more, you can add same amount of the teaspoons of water and instant coffee equally. The next one is peanut butter. You can use almond butter as well. And also you will need some milk. I seldom drink whole milk, so I use 1% milk or the all milk, so you can choose whatever your favorite milk is. The first thing I'm gonna do is to add some peanut butter to the cup. I'm almost done with this bottle, so I use the spatula to take some peanut butter out and spread them to the inside of the cup. I just feel this makes the peanut butter looks like a leaf and looks delicious. You can also use a spoon and you can put the peanut butter in the bottom of the cup. That's fine too. I will add more to add the peanut butter flavor. If you really like peanut butter, you can add some more, and I think that's enough for me. Then let's make a coffee foam. I already have 2 teaspoons of water in this cup, and I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of coffee. Also, I will add 1 teaspoon of sugar. I'm not I don't have a sweet tooth. So I just add almost 1 teaspoon of sugar. If you have sweet teeth, you can add more sugar or more sweetener. I just mix them together. Let the instant coffee and sugar melt. Next, we're going to do is to use this hand mixer to make the foam. Okay, it's done. Look at the foam. It smells so delicious. Now we need about 1 cup of warm milk. I'm gonna use 2% milk today and put it to the microwave to warm it. Now we have 1 cup of the warm milk and we're gonna add it to the cup already with peanut butter. Then we will add the coffee foam to the top. Wow. It looks so good. Oh, I can smell it. I like it. I really love it. Wow. It looks so delicious. I cannot wait to have a taste. And I also smashed some Oreo cookie. I will make it as a topping. If you like other cookies, you can use them too as the topping. And also another Oreo. Ta-ta! It's done! It smells so delicious. And see the coffee foam is floating around the peanut butter. It's The peanut butter is melting in the warm milk, so the flavor right now is mixed them all together. That mixture is perfect. I really love it. I hope you love this recipe, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and also comment down below. And please subscribe me for more. See you real soon. Bye.